Hello everyone. Keep your videos on. Everyone, keep your videos on. Dheeraj, video on. Yes. Welcome to DG Next Wave. So today is the first class of our Vedic math course. In this course, we will learn how mathematics can become easy, fun and fast. So today's session is going to be very important because we are starting with the foundation of the Vedic math. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Prarna Bansal. I am international certified trainer with 12 plus year experience and also holds a UAE teaching license. Now, I would love to all of you that let's have a quick introduction round, okay, so that we all can get to know each other. I will call you by your name, okay. Please introduce yourself by sharing your name, grade, school and from where you are joining. We will keep it short and simple, okay. So first of all, Devik, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Daivik Prashant Shetty. I'm in grade 6 and I study in Avaron High School, Alvarka in Dubai.
Okay,
And
fine.
I am joining currently from Dubai.
Okay, great. Dheeraj.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Dheeraj Varmale. From grade 6. I'm in GEMS United Indian School
Abu Dhabi.
from Abu Dhabi.
Okay, great. Alicia.
Hello, my name is Alicia Farao. I'm in grade 9. I study in St. Joseph's School, Abu Dhabi.
Okay, great. Qasim.
My name is Sheikh Qasim Ayanuddin. I'm in grade 6. I'm studying in Dunes International School.
Abu Dhabi, right? Okay. Yes, Dheeraj, do you want to ask anything?
Yes.
You raise your hand.
Ma'am, sorry, I'm not grade 6. I forgot I'm grade 7.
You are grade 7. Okay, fine. I will change. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Lekisha.
My name is Lekisha Tilak Kumar. I'm from James Auron English High School, Dubai Girls School.
Okay, fine.
Um,
Yes. Do you want to say anything else about yourself? Okay, next. Mariam.
My name is Mariam. I'm in grade 5 and I study in ISG school joining from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, from Saudi Arabia. Great. Pratyumanan.
My name is Pratyumnan. I'm in grade 8 and I study in Global Indian International School and I'm joining from Abu Dhabi.
Okay, great. Sharwin.
Ma'am, my name is Shavin. I'm studying in grade 5 in Bhavan's Abu Dhabi. Now I'm currently joining in from Bhavan. I'm from Abu Dhabi.
Okay, fine. And next is T. Guhanetra.
Ma'am, my name is Guhanita. I'm from 6th grade. My school is Leaders Private School. I'm from Sharjah.
Sharjah. Okay, fine. Next is Tanish Nai.
Hi, my name is Tanish Nai. I study in Abu Dhabi Indian School in Marur and I'm joining from Abu Dhabi.
You are
I'm
in
in
which
eighth
grade? 8th grade,
Eighth
right?
grade.
Okay, fine. So let's start our session. Okay, do you know anything about Vedic maths? What is Vedic maths? Any of you? Any idea what is the Vedic math? Anything? See, in Vedic math, we are going to learn. Yes, Sharwin?
Basic math, it's like a fast calculation, and not only that, like you have to understand the topics.
Yes, correct. So in Vedic math, what we are going to do, we are going to use the tricks, okay, so that we can solve it faster. We will be able to give answers within seconds. First of all, whenever you will look at the question, you will see that, oh my God, I cannot do this question. It will take so much time for us. I will show you some sample of questions, okay? But after this complete course, you will be able to give answers within seconds. Whenever you will see those questions, you will be able to give answer less than a minute, or we can say some questions you can solve within only 10 seconds, okay? So some students feel that math is difficult or time consuming, right? Are you feeling like that? Tell me who sometimes find math difficult or who likes math. Who finds math difficult first? Is there anyone who finds math difficult here? Just say yes or no. I'm not observing anyone. I'm just asking you. Anyone? No, everyone likes math. Yes, everyone likes math. Okay, great. Okay, so in this course, we are going to learn simple techniques. Okay, so that tricks will help us to solve calculations quickly. It will improve our accuracy and it will also boost our confidence. One by one, I will share the tricks. Day wise, you will be better. Okay. Now tell me, what is the foundation of Vedic math, or what is the foundation of math? Whenever we are talking about the foundation of math, multiplication. Okay, multiplication is there. That is the foundation of math. Just like a building, it needs a strong foundation, right? So for fast calculations also need strong multiplication skills. If your tables are strong, every calculations become faster, easier and more accurate. All of you know tables? All of you know? Yes, most of you
Yes, ma'am.
already know tables,
Yes,
right? Till 9. But today's topic is about learning tables from 1 to 9. Because today is the first session, we will learn tables from 1 to 9. Now, most of you are thinking that, ma'am, we already know tables 1 to 9. Why we need to learn tables till 9, right? Because today the tricks which we are going to learn, these are the finger tricks, how to learn the tables, how to say the tables on our fingers. But for that, we must know tables till 5, and only then for the table of 6, 7, 8, 9, we can say the finger tricks. We can use the finger tricks, okay? But before that, I just want to share my screen, sample of questions which you can solve it easily. Okay, let me share my screen.
Ma'am, your camera is lagging.
Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I will ask you, if we have to solve this question, how much time will you take? I'm just showing you some sample questions today, okay? How much time will you
Approximately
take?
2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes, okay. And others?
Ma'am, 1 to 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes. Everyone will take some
1
time,
to 2
right? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, like 1 to 2
Ma'am.
minutes.
Yes, 1 to 2 minutes. Every student will take, and some student will take more than 2 minutes, right? But if I will say these type of questions, you can give answer less than 10 seconds. Will you believe? And you will be able to give answer after 2 months of this course. Okay. So let me show you some more questions, just like this question, more bigger question, this more bigger question. So all these type of question you will be able to give answers quickly. Okay, this question, this seems easy, right? This you can give answer is in easy way. How much time will you take for solving this question?
1 minute.
For
1
this
minute.
also you will take 1 minute, right? Okay, let me show you some addition problem. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, for this, how much time will you take? This is simple addition. How much time?
30
1
seconds.
2 minutes.
1 minute.
1 minute, 2 minutes, yes. So all these type of questions, I guarantee you that you will be able to solve within less than 10 seconds or 10 to 20 seconds. Okay. Let's say this question, subtract this number from 10. Difficult question for us? Yes? It will take some time.
Yes.
These type of questions. Okay, this is easy question. 56 multiplied by 99. All of you solve. and give me answer for this question. How much time you are taking? Easy question I am giving you. I am not giving you 4-digit or 5-digit number question to you. Solve, everyone.
Option A.
Yes, very good, Mariam. Option A is correct. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. It's 5544.
Yes, 5544. So all these type of, now you are using your paper and pen, you are solving it, right? And you are taking some time to solve. But within 3 or 4 seconds, you can solve this question. So one by one, we will go on and we will learn all these tricks. Okay, how to solve these type of questions. Okay, so that's why, see, for these type of question, we need multiplication tables. So what we are going to do, first of all, we will learn tables from 1 to 9 because these are the base. And then we will move on to the 2-digit number table. And then we will move on to the 3-digit number table. Like that, we will move on. Okay, so let me show you some 1 or 2 more questions. Okay, this question, try to solve, everyone.
Option D.
Yes, very good. Option D. All others, all of you are getting your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Option
ma'am.
D.
Okay, so this, okay, let's do one thing. I will teach you this trick, okay? So that you will be able to learn one more trick other than tables. And then we will move on to the tables, okay? So, everyone is getting the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now look at my screen carefully, everyone. What is the number? 75. We have to multiply 75 with 75, right? So what we have to see, 5 is there, right? At the unit place. What is the number apart from 5 at the tens place? What is the number apart from 5 at the tens place? 7, right? 7 is,
Yes.
what is the successor of 7? What is the next number from 7? Or we can say successor
8.
of 7. 8.
Eight.
8. Right? Is this clear, everyone? What I am looking, I am looking at the number which is apart from 5. Because we have to multiply the same number, right? 75, 75. So the number apart from 5 is 7. And then we will take the successor of that number. Okay. Now we have to multiply those numbers. 7 8s are? We will do tables.
7 8 6 56.
Yes, 8 7s are 56, right? Now we just have to multiply 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25 and we got our answer. See, within seconds, within 4 or 5 seconds, we will get answer. We will do so many questions, okay, of this type. So you will get this trick. Are you getting? See.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, does this solution applicate to like all of these types of
Now
problems?
listen to me very carefully. Where this trick apply? This trick will apply for the number whenever number is ending with 5. Okay? Whenever number is ending with 5. And the remaining digit is same. Or we can say, do you know the meaning of square? Most of the students know the meaning of square. Most many students maybe don't aware about this. What is the meaning of square first? Square meaning is whenever we have to multiply a number by itself. Okay. Now, if I am taking a number 3, okay. If I am going to multiply 3 by 3, so what I am going to do, I am going to multiply a number by itself. The number which we are getting, that is called square of that number. So I can say square of 3 is 9. I can say like that. Yes. Here what I am doing? I am doing square of 75. See, I am going to multiply 75 with 75. So what I can say? I can say I am finding the square of 75. I can say like that. Right? So whenever number is ending with 5, okay, so that time we will apply this trick. Now what is the number apart from 5? 7 is there, right? And immediately we will think in mind that what is the successor of that number. That will come immediately into our mind. Yes, after 7, 8 is coming, right? So we will multiply 7 and 8. 7 8s are 56. Now 56 and 5 5s are 25, right? And we got our answer 5625. Let's do more example of this type. Okay, let's see whether we are getting answers correct or not. Is it clear? Is there any confusion in this trick? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I will ask you, we have to find 65 square. Or what we can say, 65 multiplied by 65, right? So, what will be our answer? What is the number apart from 5? What is the number apart from 5? 6 is there? Yes? So, what is the
Yes.
next number from 6? What is the next number from 6? 7, right?
7.
So,
Ma'am, I
Is it
found the answer.
4255?
That is
yes.
4,000.
I mean, ma'am, is it 4225?
4255.
See,
4225.
see how fastly you are able to give answer for this type of number. 6 sevens are 42. We are getting 42. Now 5 5s are 25. We got our answer 4225. 4225. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, easy trick. So these type
Yes.
So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
tricks we are going to learn throughout our course, okay? And you will be able to give answers very fast, within seconds, okay? Now, one by one, I will ask. Let me see who is not getting this trick and who is getting this trick. Okay, one by one. Pratyumnan,
Yes, ma'am.
85 squares. All others, the student from whom I am asking, that student will tell me. And other students will give answer in chat box, okay? Like this we will follow.
Ma'am, the answer is 7225.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Correct answer. 85 square is 7,225. Okay, Sharvin.
Thirty-five.
Take your
Ma'am, 1,225.
Yes, very good. 1,225. Very nice. Mariam.
Six to five.
Yes, very good, Mariam. Correct answer. 625. See, you are able to solve this question into your mind. Yes, Devik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your video on, bacha. 45 square.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't realize it was off because I rejoined. Ma'am, 45 square is 2025.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. Lekisha.
Yes, ma'am.
65 square.
Um, 4,225.
Yes, well done. Next is Alicia.
5625.
5625. Kasim.
225.
Yes, very good. 225. Tanish.
9025.
9025. Very good. Next is Dheeraj.
Yes, ma'am. 5. 2025.
2025. Is there anyone whom I didn't ask? No one. See, now all of you.
You
Yes.
can ask me.
Okay. Yes. T Guha. Yes. Tell me. Wait. 65 square. You are on mute, bacha.
3625.
No. What we have to do, don't multiply 6 with 6. What we have to do, we have to see the number apart from 5. 6 is there, right? So this 6 we will multiply with its successor. What is the successor of 6? Or what is the next number from 6?
7.
7.
Ma'am,
4225.
4,225.
Yes, 4,225. So in this way, we can solve answers within seconds. Is it clear, everyone? This trick is
Okay,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
is this trick? Nice trick. How was that trick? Good.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was easy.
So if these type of questions will come, that time you can give answer within second. So all these type of tricks we are going to learn one by one. Okay, now let's move on to the tables. All of you know tables till 5. Everyone knows table till 5. There
Yes,
are
ma'am.
some students,
ma'am.
videos are on. Qasim, Tiguha and Saket. Please keep your videos on.
Teacher, I have a doubt actually.
Yes, Alicia.
The trick which you just showed, right? Does
Yeah.
it apply to squares of two-digit numbers only?
Yes, square of, let's say if if it will be 3-digit number. So that time just let me share my screen once again. I just want to tell you something.
Okay, teacher, no problem.
I'm going to write it out. What is it? Let me know.
If number is like 115. Okay, but number should be ending with 5. Okay, Alicia. Now see what is the remaining number other than 5. 11 is there, right? So
Yes,
that
teacher.
time we will multiply 11 with 12. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we will get when we are going to multiply 12 with 11, 132, right?
Yes, teacher.
And then 5 5s are 25. And we got our answer.
Fine.
Got it? So
Okay, teacher.
but number should be 5, the unit place. Got it now?
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher. Understood.
Yes,
Thank
Qasim.
you.
Welcome. Qasim, yes, ask. Qasim, any doubt?
We can use this same method for 4-digit numbers too.
Yes, Qasim, you can do. Let's see. Let me give you one bigger number. 9995. 4-digit number. Okay. See, now what is the number here? 999. What is the next number from 999? What is the next number? 1000, right? So we
Yes.
are going to multiply. When you will multiply 999 with 1000, what you will get? 999 000 and then 5 5s are 25. We got our answer within second. But the main trick is that unit place digit should be 5 and the other digit should be anything. You have to take the successor of that and then you have to multiply. Okay, got it now? It is clear to everyone? Any other doubt?
No.
Okay.
Yes, it's clear, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now we will come to the tables. Everyone knows table till 5, right? Okay, I will ask one by one. Mariam,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me table of 2.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20.
Very good. Okay, now Alicia, table of 3.
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30.
Yes, very
3
good.
11s are 30.
Okay, Tanish,
Yes, ma'am.
table of 4.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40.
Yes, very good. And table of 5, Pratyuman.
Okay, ma'am. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 25, 5 are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50.
Okay, very good. So all of you know table till 5, right? No confusion in table till 5. So today the trick which we are going to learn, that is called finger tricks for the tables of 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I know all of you know tables, but we will do in case if you will forget, if any student doesn't know, that time they can use this trick, and even you can teach your younger ones. These are very important tricks. Okay. Okay. Now in next session, we are going to learn 2-digit number tables. Do you know how to write 2-digit number tables? Any of you? Do you know how to write?
Ma'am, I only know like the 11 and 12, ma'am.
Only 11 and 12. Okay. Pratyuman, do you know for all 2-digit number table how to write?
No, ma'am, I know 11.
Only 11. Okay. So in next session, we are going to learn from 11 to 99. You will be able to write tables within 1 minute, okay, or less than 1 minute, and you will be able to say any dodging table for the 2-digit number, okay. So, but first today, in today's class, we are going to learn only single digit table. So let's start with the table of 9, okay. Am I visible to everyone? My hands are visible. Let me wait.
Yes.
My hands are visible to everyone. So
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
hands like this, palm facing.
Yes, ma'am.
If my hands are not visible to anyone, I will, let me do one thing. Wait. Let me remove the background. Now it will be visible to everyone, right? Fine? Is it fine? Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
hold our hands like this, palm facing you. Everyone, do with me. Hold your hand like this, palm facing you. Okay. Now from the left hand, which one is your left hand? Show me. Which one is your left hand? Yes, very good. Yes. So from the left hand, we will start giving numbering from 1. Okay. From the left hand, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we are doing, we are just giving numbering from 1 to 10 to our all fingers. Okay. And we are starting from the left thumb. First of all, you will keep your hands like this, palm facing you. And then you will give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear, everyone? Fine?
Yes.
Now, if somebody will ask you 9 sevens are. So what we will do? Which is 7th finger? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7th finger, right? On the right hand, 7th finger. Fold it down. Why I am folding it down? Because I am asking 9 sevens are. So I am folding it down the 7th finger. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to count the number of finger to the left of the folded finger and to the right of the folded finger. Now see at your hand and count how many fingers are at the left to the folded finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This finger is already folded, 7th finger, right? So 6 fingers are there on the left. Everyone can see 6 fingers on the left?
Yes.
Yes. Now how many fingers on the right to the folded finger? 1, 2, 3. How many fingers on the right?
3.
3. 6 at the left, 3 at the right. So our answer is 6, 3. We will put them together. 6, 3, 63. We will get our answer. 9 sevens are 63. It is very interesting trick. Okay. Those who don't know table of 9, they can solve it in a second. They can tell within second. Okay. Just you have to open your hands like this. Give your numbering and then start doing it. Okay. Now let me ask if we have to say 9 nines are. 9 nines are. Which is 9th finger? This is 9th finger on my right hand. I am folding it down. How many fingers are there at the left? 8 fingers are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers are there, right? And 1 finger at the right. So answer is 8, 1, 81. We got our answer. Yes? Everyone getting answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one by one we will do. If we have to do 9 ones are, what we will do? We will fold the first finger. Okay, is there any finger at the left? No finger at the left. How many fingers on the right? 9 fingers. So answer is 9 ones are 9. For 9 twos are, we will fold second finger. How many finger at the left? 1 finger at the left, 8 finger on the right. So answer is 9 twos are 18. Now fold it third finger. 9 threes are. How many finger on the left?
2.
2. And how many fingers on the right? Unmute everyone and say.
7.
72.
72. The fingers which are at the left that will come first, and the fingers open which are at the right hand side of the folded finger that will come later at the unit place. Okay. So answer is 2, 7, 72. Okay. Don't get confused. If you will look at the screen, you will feel that I am doing it in a opposite way. Okay. Just look at your hands at the left and right. How I am saying. Okay. Now 9 fours are. I will fold it down the fourth finger. Okay. Now how many fingers at the left to the folded finger?
3.
3. How many fingers to the right to the folded finger?
6.
The answer is 9 fours are
36.
36. Now 9 fives are 4 finger at
45.
the right, 45. 9 six are. Hold it down the fifth.
54.
5 finger at the left, 4 fingers at the right. Answer is 54.
72. What is this too easy?
If background noise is coming. Wait. Give me 1 second, please. Yes. So this table is very easy, right? Now you can say any 9 table, 9 times table, right? Okay, 1 or 2 students I will ask only. And then we will move on to the table trick for the 6, 7, 8, 9. The different finger tricks. Okay, next. Qasim,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me 9 6 are.
54.
Yes, very good. Saket. Saket, 9 sevens are.
63.
Yes, very good. T Guha,
Yes, ma'am.
9 fours are.
45.
9 fours are, bacha. Do it again. 9 fours are. How we will do? Open your hands like this. Give numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth finger we have to fold it down. Okay. Now see. Yes, 36. So 3 finger at the left and 6 fingers at the right. 36. Okay. In case if you don't know the 9 table, that time you can use this trick. If you already know, then that is very good. You can easily say it. Is it clear? 9 table is clear, everyone? Is there any doubt for the 9 table finger trick?
No, ma'am.
Dheeraj,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me 9 fives are.
9 fives are 45.
Yes, very good. Mariam, 9 6 are.
54.
Yes, Dheeraj, done. Alicia,
Yes, ma'am.
9 8s are.
9 eights are 81.
9 8s are, bacha.
Oh, sorry. 9 eights are 5, 6, 72.
Yes, 72. Very good. Okay, next. Lekisha,
Yes, ma'am.
9 sevens are.
63.
Yes, very good. Sharwin,
Yes, ma'am.
9 9s are.
81.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's do it for the table 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, now listen to me. For the table of 9, what we were doing, we were holding the palm like this, right? But for table of 6, 7, 8, 9, for all 4 numbers, it will apply. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will hold our hand like this. Just move like this. Okay, palm facing you. Again, palm facing you. We will start giving numbering from the pinky finger. Okay, from 6 at the left hand side first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all of you got it? How to give numbering? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, at the other hand as well. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we know how to give numbering to our fingers, our hands. Okay, is it clear? Okay, let me know one thing. If I am asking 8 5s are, if anyone doesn't know the table of 8, and if I am asking 8 5s are, but you know table still 5, right? So that time you can interchange it. 8 5s are or 5 8s are same thing. Okay, so you know 5 8s are 40, so 8 5s are will also be 40. So immediately you can say like that. Okay, got it everyone? If I am asking 7 3s are, if you don't know 7 tables, that time what you will do? You know 3 7s are, right? 3 7s are 21 or 7 3s are 21. So in this way you can easily tell. But if table is above 6, just like if I am saying 6 9s are, that time what we have to do? Because it is not in the table still 5. That, so these tricks will help in that. Okay, listen to me very carefully. In the beginning it may be that you will find difficult, but after 2 or 3 numbers you will find it very easy. Okay, now let's do this again. We have given the numbering. Okay, let's do one thing. Meeting is about to end. Join with the same link again. Okay, everyone.